Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I homeschool my kids, and this book has definitely helped a lot.
We really love this book. It really helps my son to have independent learning because the instructions are very clear. There are so many different subjects, and within each subject, there's a lot of different material. For instance, math might be addition, or it might be counting, it might be subtraction, and the book guides you every step of the way on what to do next. It's also really good for reading. Your child can sit and read a paragraph and then they can answer the questions. It really has helped my son with his writing and comprehension. There's language arts, math, social studies, connect the dots, fun games, and my son even opens this book on his downtime, which is super amazing.
So, if you're a teacher or you homeschool your kids, or you're just looking maybe to supplement some education to your kids or tutoring, I would highly recommend this product. It's so many different varieties of subjects. It's really great at explaining and explanations. We love it. We use it all the time. My son loves it and he loves to learn. So I would definitely highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.